During the break time, we did observe the umpire having a word with Akhil Akineni to speed up the overs. It's pretty important. So, huge bowling, just the way everyone has bowled there. And Akhil Akineni has marshaled resources as well. That also tells us that Telugu Warriors is a team of all-rounders, which would make Kerala Strikers' task that much more difficult.
बहुत अच्छा बॉलिंग लाइनअप है तेलुगु का. फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छी रही है. एक ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस अभी तक रही है और अभी 2 विकेट लेकर वो गेम में वापस आ गए. और यहां पर ओह, another lapse. Is pressure showing on them?
Not able to hold the ball in their clasp. Watch it again. Miscuing straight into the hands, like catching practice, but just the way the previous run out was missed. Until and unless the catch is taken, it's never a catch.
लगता है थोड़ी नजर लग गई है इनकी फील्डिंग को. हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं इनके फील्डिंग एफर्ट की. और यहाँ पर पिल्ले 57 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं. उठा दिया है मिड विकेट दशा में. 6 रन मिलेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट 6. जब तक पिल्ले हैं तब तक तेलुगु पे बहुत प्रेशर है. पिल्ले का विकेट लेना बहुत जरूरी है इस समय, लेकिन पिल्ले के इरादे कुछ और ही.
A true cricketing shot. Waited for that delivery from Ashwin and pulling it high over mid wicket. No problems at all, dispatching it into the stands. Great shot, and many more required for Kerala Strikers to cross the 150 barrier. Looks like another boundary. So boost is the secret of Pillai's energy.
Boost is the secret of Pillai energy, rightly said. और इंपॉर्टेंट रन इस समय आ रहे हैं. प्रेशर तेलुगु वॉरियर पर बढ़ता हुआ, क्योंकि 150 रन अगर हो जाते हैं तो बैटिंग आपकी जितनी मर्जी अच्छी हो, आपको वो बनाने पड़ेंगे. और ये भाग्यशाली रहे, लेकिन 4 रन, इंपॉर्टेंट 4 इस समय. फिर पिल्ले के बैट से बॉलर बहुत ही निराश.
Almost played on Pillai. This time going in for a mighty heave. He'll go for everything and anything, as we said, and rightly so, because after this delivery only about 12, so 13 balls to go. In 13, if you take 2 runs delivery, it'll about 26, so 150 is on the cards if Pillai stays.
और बहुत अच्छा टोटल होगा, 150 रन इस विकेट पर, जहां पर बॉल इतनी तेजी से नहीं आ रहा है. थोड़ा स्लोनेस है विकेट में और तेलुगु वॉरियर के लिए थोड़ी मुश्किल हो सकती है. लेकिन अबे और फिर पैरों का इस्तेमाल किया. 2 रन लेना चाहते हैं. अरे ओहो, ड्रामा 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 सीसीएल में. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी इसकी. बहुत ही निराश होंगे पिल्ले.
It's nothing short of a suicide there. Rahman and Pillai, they could have guided Kerala to safety. And just see how you can snatch your dismissal from a safe position. No run at all. The bowler firmly in control, had all the time in the world to pick up the ball, go to the stumps and not miss it. So poor running between the wickets. Shafiq Rahman run out for 2 and Kerala Strikers 130 for 7.
ओवर शेष, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट 2 ओवर दोनों टीम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से. बाला आए हैं बल्लेबाजी के लिए. खेलना चाहते थर्ड मैन की दिशा में, लेकिन पूरी तरह बॉल को मिस किया. और अब आपको लेके जाएंगे पॉपी के पास.
Mr. Roy Kurian with me, who's the Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Yamaha Motor India. Very warm welcome, sir. Please tell us about your association with CCL6.
Well, Yamaha is known for its bikes among all the bad boys, right? So recently we got into scooters 3 years back, and now we have a product which is Fascino. It's a fashionable scooter, and there's no better opportunity than this, where you can get associated with all the fashionable people out here. And that's how we chose this. because we are already associated with Miss Divas, Miss Universe, and the fashion world. And since celebrities are involved here, so we thought this is the right connect, and we have chosen this as a.
This Fascino is also targeted at the youth audience, isn't it?
Yeah, basically for all youngsters, boys and girls. And you can see like this been almost 5 to 6 months only, and see the kind of vehicles we see on the road, and it's been very popular among the youngsters in recent times. And I think in future coming time we'll see more and more Fascinos on road. That's what we see, and we are taking Fascino to a next level, that is aspirational level, by getting associated with this kind of aspirational value-added programs and events, and which will take Fascino to next level is what we think. So that's what we are thinking and doing.
One last question. Which is your favorite team in CCL?
Basically, yeah, I'm seeing this Telugu team playing very well, and I'm from Kerala, so I'm seeing like, oh, this Telugu team is fantastic. They are doing a wonderful and fantastic job. So I look at this team as a very powerful team. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, and back to you guys.
Another massive 6. Thanks, Bobby. And Yamaha Fascino. That was a fascinating shot.
हो आज तो पिल्ले ने आग ही लगा दी है पूरे चिन्ना स्वामी स्टेडियम में। बेहतरीन शॉट, कदमों का इस्तेमाल और बॉल सीधा फेंस पे। एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इनिंग खेल रहे हैं पिल्ले यहाँ पर। और हम बात करते हैं अच्छे अंत की, तो मुझे लगता है केरला जब तक पिल्ले हैं एक अच्छे अंत को एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती है।
74 of just 55, gets his 75th run, wants the second run, slips a bit, but I think it will be pretty safe because the throw is pretty wide. So already 9 runs from this over. 10 has to be the minimum target.
हम बात कर रहे थे 150 की, लेकिन यहाँ पर लग रहा है शायद 160, 162 रन भी बन सकते हैं, जो एक बहुत ही अच्छा टोटल होगा। आनंद उठाते हुए सब यहाँ पर इस मैच का।
CCL Superfan, you can call 5333 and win 1 lakh rupee cash. At the same time, the Kerala dugout is looking a bit visibly happy after a long time, which was not the scene after the 13th over. But once Rajiv Pillai started striking the ball, things looked different for Kerala strikers, and he has delivered it. Looking a bit tired, 78 of 57.
काफी ह्यूमिडिटी है और काफी देर से बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं पिल्ले। थकावट उनके चेहरे पर नजर आ रही है, लेकिन माइंड नहीं थकना चाहिए। जैसे कहते हैं क्रिकेट में, उनका आखिरी तक खेलना बहुत ही जरूरी। अगर वो आखिरी ओवर तक खेलते हैं तो यहाँ से 160, 165 रन भी बन सकते हैं।
The Kerala dugout, neither happy nor unhappy, but at the same time, some sort of a happiness has been restored in the dugout after the 14th over, thanks to Pillai, 78 of 57. Bala need to necessarily stay for the next 7 deliveries so that 160 barrier can be crossed. On his follow through, could have tried that at the end of over number 19. Kerala strikers 7 for 141.